In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a GCash receipt. You might be wondering if you can make changes to an official GCash receipt. Unfortunately, the answer is no. Once a transaction is completed, the receipt details are fixed and cannot be altered. GCash ensures the integrity and security of each transaction. This is why they don't allow any modifications to receipts within the app. It's important to keep this in mind to avoid any confusion. Now, if you ever need to verify payments, GCash advises users to use the transaction history. This is a reliable way to check your payments without relying solely on screenshots or shared receipts. It provides an accurate record of all your transactions, which can be very helpful for tracking purposes. This step is crucial because it helps maintain the accuracy of your financial records. If you need to correct a mistake related to your transaction, you will need to take a different approach. Let's walk through the process of addressing your concerns with GCash. First, open the GCash app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is your starting point for resolving any issues with your transactions. Once you have the app open, click on the Help Center. This section is designed to assist users with any questions or problems they might encounter. From here, you'll be able to access various support options. It's essential to use the Help Center because it directs you to the official support channels. This ensures that your concerns are handled properly. Next up, chat with Gigi, the virtual assistant. Gigi is programmed to help guide you through common issues and provide quick solutions. Type in your concern clearly and concisely. This step is important because it helps Gigi understand your issue and provide the best possible assistance. After typing in your concern, follow the on-screen instructions. Gigi will guide you through the necessary steps to address your issue. This guidance can be beneficial as it is tailored to your specific problem. At this point, make sure to read each instruction carefully. This ensures you don't miss any important details. Once you've followed the instructions, submit a support ticket. This ticket will be sent to GCash's support team for further assistance. It's a crucial step because it creates a formal request for help, allowing the team to track and resolve your issue efficiently. You will receive a confirmation that your ticket has been submitted. Finally, wait for GCash's response. The support team will review your ticket and get back to you with a resolution. Patience is key here as response times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries they receive. Rest assured, they will address your concern as soon as possible. In summary, while you cannot edit an official GCash receipt, you have the tools to address any issues related to your transactions. Utilizing the Help Center and chatting with Gigi are effective ways to resolve any concerns. These steps ensure that your inquiries are handled correctly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out.